like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that little notification bell. Ping! When I put up new video, you can get notified.
Mama so a sneaky thing you're going with today. You not even tell me, say you're blaze spot out here. You make me there in the house, son. Me I say, wait, smell smoke. And when me come out here, this a go on. Saltfish a boil, people. Yam a roast, breadfruit a roast.
Breakfast.
What you say?
Plantain. Bread.
Bread.
Yes.
What?
Ackee
Ackee
and Saltfish.
Alright.
Country style.
Mama so they have something up our sleeve today, you know. I just never know what. Because we plan, so we are going film today. And then me just see like the place just go silent. I mean, I say, but wait, mama, they in the house just a chill out. I mean, I say, but wait. Oh, mama so now link me. They tell me, say, alright, come start the video. And look what I go on here, so. Alright, peeps, so I just set up the tripod right here, so. I'm going to see what I go on, you know. I'm going to go and pre out the breadfruit, them a roast, piece of yellow yam, saltfish in a pot. You see me, I say, yeah, man. Nice breakfast this morning, you know. My favorite to cook this morning, you know. Ackee and saltfish are my favorite. You know, Jamaican national dish. Ackee and saltfish.
Country style.
Country style, you see it.
If I wanna go wild and
versatile. Mama so style. See her there? Think she easy. Versatile.
Tell you, man.
Mama saw that Dutch pot there, frying pan, Dutch pot, that frying pan.
Yeah.
Looks solid.
I'm telling you.
Real steel, the real deal.
Solid as a rock.
Peeps love the outdoor cooking, but the fire thing is not really my thing, brother. I swear. When I done a think of smoke. Yeah, them burn you. But guess what? It's the sweetest food you can ever eat.
Fry the plantain.
This is Susan. When we start the vlog, you don't realize that we don't cook back inside.
Yes. Oh my God. Oh.
No cooking, no go on inside.
Healthy cooking.
Yeah man, healthy cooking man. Some reason food sweeter when you put anything there.
Yes.
I
Perfect.
tell you the truth.
Perfect.
The food way sweeter.
Yes. Lots of
The smoke though, I tell you I love you outdoor cooking now, but the smoke.
yes, you have to run. Run like this.
Yeah, peeps, saltfish are boil out. So, if you're not Jamaican and you're watching this video, because every Jamaican should know why we boil out the saltfish. You know, name saltfish.
Yes.
It's really salt. You know, I think the reason why it's a salt, them put the salt on it to preserve it.
Yes.
Yeah, so we boil it out maybe 1, 2, 3 times, get it, boil out some of salt and then, you know, cook it down, put the ackee to it. Yeah, right. Breadfruit, them look nice
Healthy.
and roast.
The yam need more.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some more fire upon the yam, you know. The breadfruit, them look like them soon done roast.
Yeah, man. Dangerous one.
I'm gonna put the yam right. I'll put the yam right this one.
You don't want him to burn. So, and just
Yeah, man, no worry, me deal with that.
peep. This is
Vegetable
some
look good,
Scotch
peeps.
bonnet pepper.
My favorite that, you know. Cut up your whole light tonight. Scotchy.
Yes, Scotchy, man.
Yeah, man. Jamaican #1. Bring the real flavor to the pot.
And this is some garlic.
See?
You put flavor. Good when you consume garlic in your diet. Wow. You me see people in this. I don't know how they do.
Take your time, man.
No,
No rush.
no rushing, peeps. Not my finger. Please. Lots of seasoning. Healthy food.
Before you put in a container, I want to take a nice picture of it.
What this?
Yes, all of the seasoning there. Natural seasoning. Yeah. Let's put them together. Everything together. Beautiful.
No, this. What about this?
Oh, you put carrot in it too?
Yes, man.
Wow. Okay.
Yes.
Oh my God.
My grandmother always do this in the country.
peeps. How beautiful it is. Well, I'm so sorry so there so far because I know it's a whole heap of people all over the world. I watch Mama So cooking. But too bad on so far and we're not there. We could circle and come get some of the real, real Jamaican food, As you see, Mama So cook with a whole heap of organic seasoning, Yeah, man, the right way. Yep, beautiful. Beautiful. Nice. I have to take 2 pictures of that, peeps. Looks so good.
Instead of 1 fire piece, me just make up 2.
Yeah.
Great. Yeah. Yes. Hey, come back. Come back. Little doggy. Let's keep me drain off the water. Then we're going to cook it the 3rd time. You want it salt, like still salty. You want the salt to come out.
Oh, you change the saltfish water already?
Yes.
Nice.
It's the third. We're going to make the third time. It's really salty.
Yes, peeps. That's some fresh yellowtail snapper. When I say fresh, I mean fresh from the ocean straight to the pot. But I don't think we are going to cook them up in idea, yeah. Or I'm not sure when yet, but me a seaman, me have my own boat and thing. So as you can see, if you look on the ice them, see if you look on the ice them, you see how glassy them is. So you know when fish fresh. Fish fresh. Fish fresh. You see it? So we have some nice yellowtail snapper here. I'm going to scale them up. Wow, I wash out that. I'm going to scale them up and maybe one day in a week or maybe even later. We steam them up, roast them up, fry them up, something. But you don't know. So I'm going to just get out of the video light and go to the side. Make Mama Sue do her thing and go and scale off them fish.
Country style. Country style. This I wanna go wild and versatile.
Mama Sue style. Peeps, you don't know, you know the right thing, do the right thing. You know Mama Sue, like, share.
Comment, like, share, subscribe. And you see that little bell in the corner? Just hit it. Bing! And when I...
Notified.
Yes, you can get notified. Respect to every aspect. When it light, it get light. When it's light, it roast. Soak.
I think so.
Look. You can see how it look there. Look. The smoke, the thing that it can penetrate through the food.
Nice.
Yeah, through the push it down. So it just have to come up.
Peeps, me I go bring the camera over to the boat and me gonna see what I go on. So you don't know, say, when the time is right, I don't want a feature. You see me, I say, any subscriber, any guests, any viewers can reach out to me by email, mamasuekitchen4u@gmail.com. Mama, M-A-M-A, Sue, S-U-E, kitchen, K-I-T-C-H-E-N, number 4u@gmail.com. So if you want a feature, to be a part of the video, just shoot me an email and we'll just, organize a thing if possible. So we'll get back to you on that.
Yeah, man.
You know? But yeah, man, as we say, Mama Sue way, the real organic way, the real authentic way, cooking in style. You see it, put our own twist to our thing. You see it. So, I just right this side there. So, I'm going to scale up the fish that I'm just showing you. I'm going to show you my boat. Because we don't buy fish. You see me, I say, fresh fish off of the ocean. You see it. Peeps, see the boat here, see the yacht here, see the ship here. Yeah, man, I might think this, man. And me customize it, me work on it, me maintain it, me do everything to it, man. This is my tie, And me have a little sleep in here underneath. So if rain or fall or I'm tired, me can always go down under the boat and go sleep and all of that. Me have grill on it, me have bathroom, have everything, water, everything for my comfort. As me tell you, me customize it to how I want it. Yeah, man. So we don't buy fish at store, fresh fish. So anytime I feel for maybe some kingfish, Jamaica call it slice fish, I just go out to sea and go catch my fish them. Grouper, my favorite fish. Mutton snapper, my favorite fish. Moonshine fish, all type of fish. You see me I say? Yeah man, so my thing this, my tie this. Love it. Yeah. So me I go back now and go scale up them fish there. I'm not sure when me and mama so I go sort them out still, is it? We don't know if we are going to fry them, roast them, or steam them. But we figure something out and keep on in the loop. You see me I say? Yeah man.
Yes peeps, I'm going to take off the saltfish now. Drain it, and then I'm going to cook up the seasoning. No, it's not burning up piece, I'm burning. Easy at that. Good. Look at saltfish. So small.
I can't believe it's the one sitting outside.
Yes, me dear, look. Oh,
you sure?
Of course.
I
Pocket
joking.
yes. So peeps, I'm going to throw in my oil. Extra virgin olive oil into the pot, and then I'm going to cook my seasoning by the time that the seasoning is cooked. Right.
Fire under the wire.
Keep the fire
blazing.
country style. This I wanna go wild
and versatile. Mama so style. But that's the vibes, man.
Yes, that's true.
Just the energy.
Sometimes it make it fun.
Can't just
No.
live on sad. Can't live in a sadness.
No.
Live and be happy and merry.
And when you sick, you must still happy.
Right, yes, sir.
Yeah. It's small, so you have to use this to make it up. Stretch it. Stretch it, man. Stretch it.
Yellowtail snapper them a piece. Them no hard for scale.
Easy.
Easy for scale. Trust me, I just chew. You know what? If any fisherman I watch that video, yeah, let me tell you where you can use. You see if you have all one water hose, you have all one water hose, and when you just take all the fish out of the ocean, man, you turn it all away and spray the water hose, man, and it just peel off it.
Oh, you never want to see your face?
Okay.
Okay.
No, that good.
Let me put you down. Okay. Yeah, man.
Show the peeps them what I got.
Yes, okay.
Be gentle with that scaler, you know. It's
I'm
a very
telling you,
good scaler.
you will cut your
Very
foot,
good scaler. We cut your hand with kind of scrape up the meat of the fish. We take time out when me and scale fish still.
Yes, you miss.
And when me ready for steam or fry, I enjoy it. I don't want to see no, taste no scale. no scaling on it. Time under with it. And no rush. You have to take your time, because look here. See? Take your time. And a fresh fish there. I don't know, rotten fish. Because look for the eye. You see how eyeglassy? Fresh fish there.
Yes, that's it.
Tight, you know?
Rushy. Rushy, man. Rushy. Definitely fresh as post. Them fish so
So I go through all of the guts and stuff right back in here, so maybe I wonder why am I throwing back on the fish then? No man, I go all of the cleaning up I go and not this upon here. And this upon here.
then
Looking at this a little glow.
nutrient in the plant.
And believe it or not, when me go see and we clean up all of the fish them, all of the fish guts them were right back in a mama soup plant. Yeah man, she dig like a little trench, cover it up, then plant where she want to plant, pan top of the, you know, the guts and stuff like that. May I tell you what come out good so. Do your research on it. They must say back in the days, you know, people used to use the cow. Cow and the hog manure.
And the goat manure.
And goat.
Well, yeah, tell us this one. Oh my gosh.
And that may I say, if me to turn back the camera over to the seasoning where mama smooth it.
So much for saltfish snack here. Okay, too fuck. Oh gosh. Oi, oi, oi. And then put in a little saltfish. it. Cook it some more.
Why, if all them little restaurant I did a cook you all like this. Oh my God. Cherry, come round and eat this up.
Need to go to what?
And then eat the food.
Cook it out. Yeah, look at me and me. In the ackee.
You must take out it for years, you know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, something to take it out. That would be very sad. Breadfruit then. I even yam. Chip back in the same bowl. I see a hole. Yes, please. I will take out. You know, eat ackee, so I will take out to me one.
You better should just take the whole pot, peeps.
Oh my goodness. After the fact that man, we just try to planting. Yes, peeps. I'm going to open the ackees now.
Perfect. Yeah, like you see, fish out thick good in a frying pan.
Yeah.
We have to go start them out.
You sure tell them we fit in there?
Yeah, man, perfect. And definitely pan size.
Okay.
That's the plan.
Yes, keep. I'm playing with Mr. Ackee now.
So good. When you done stir it up, kind of lean the pot a little bit to the camera.
Yeah.
Then see. Yeah, man, lean the pot a little bit to the camera. Ah, you see that, peeps?
You see that, peeps?
You see that? Beautiful. The mouth around water, don't you? Don't worry yourself, man, in due time. In due time, you know? In due time.
And it's black pepper.
A Florida will be a up, peeps. Yeah, man. Right, a Florida we are doing this. Yep. Right at Fort Lauderdale where I did. See? Don't know. If you're based at Fort Lauderdale, you want to link up, just send me an email, mamasukitchen@gmail.com. No. Wait up. Mamasukitchen for you. So it's MAMASUEKITCHEN number 4 you @gmail.com. Come on. Mamasukitchen for you @gmail.com. Shoot me an email. I'm not too sure how I go out. Peeps, if you're there, New York, if you're there, England, if you're there, Canada, anywhere in the world, there, California, there, Texas, there, Dubai. Alaska, we make it happen. Let's link up. Taste it. Oh, you want me to taste it?
Yes.
Keep it in a man.
Oh.
Perfect.
Okay.
Nothing else.
Okay.
Perfect. 100% perfect.
Okay.
No had
Was that
nothing
it?
else to it.
Nothing.
Don't take away
Nothing else
from
to it. No had no take away. This pizza, I think the breadfruit is ready. Then get light. When I roast breadfruit and them light, then get light. Ready. Ready, peeps.
Breadfruit you have in your hand, some mama I can't hold you up to the camera and say ready. Why this a lady that is here? When you have breadfruit, man,
No, not do me and 5 feet cold.
you feel cold?
Yes.
Our mama saw the
But I'm telling you, then I would do like this.
Mama saw fans and subscribers, you know, so mama saw a deal with. When you drop in a comment and ask mama saw what go on better. You have to drop the breadfruit.
If you don't have no feeling,
Comment
brother.
right now and say drop the breadfruit, mama saw.
It's a wanna go wild. Versatile. Jamaica, that's it. Cheese, sir. No, sir. Yeah.
Today is a beautiful day.
I'm telling you.
I'm going to know what today, what I'm going to do, man. Just chill out. Friday or Saturday today? Oh, Friday.
Just stay there. Okay. See the peeps? Sure, it's
You done there now?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You up them breadfruit and piece I am now. Make a lot of come with that. Ready to clap with that now. You have lemon inside them now and a juice. Mix some sugar and water.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
Clap.
That's it. Your beverage.
Make some beverage and clock that go right to that.
In Jamaica we say beverage.
Oh.
We make some beverage. Oh, but before. Make it cool. Yeah, man. I like remembering. Like, you know. Transfer this pot down here and then put on.
Where go put on, partner?
Fry the thing. Fry the.
Oh, fry the plant.
Yep. Nice combination.
I peel the breadfruit and the yam first.
No, never first.
Alright, do it. I'm not really too interested in that right now. Meaty, but my main focus right now is clatters on my heart. What do you think, Steve? Like,
No, man, me like plantain.
That not take too long to put.
Yeah, me like plantain and me just want
See
to
them pick them, because them
Yeah.
can't go. Them pick my foreign pick them, American pick them don't know what pouring for. They pick them, they pick. Well, Ali, a favorite
No, I love plantain and the baby. Yeah.
Ali, I love favorite a curry goat. I
Yes.
don't know my favorite.
So, yeah, do some curry goat. Jamaican style, some Jamaican. Curry goat.
You know, no time for. You know, no time to stop by and eat somewhere.
Yeah, so.
They will put you up till later. They are scale off the fish now. Yeah, couch, you know, upon the other. Them inside there, you know. Inside there, go and go.
Me give my paper to study. Me ask her, she come out here, she said she study it. So me tell her, so when me come in, she better know them. She not doing nothing. Call Alia phone. She not doing
Call
nothing.
Alia phone.
She not doing nothing.
Yeah.
I don't know. She just playing. She not doing nothing.
Call Alia phone. And then Maya know them, you know. Me I tell him, you can't study Maya now because
No.
you see, he will go on like say him not study nothing.
True.
And when they give them to spell, boom. Look for all our spelling test them. Every one of them in pass
Yeah.
and get 100 and all that.
Yeah. And sometimes she come home and say, Maya, do your work? No.
You know,
And
do
then
no
she
work
get-
and then tomorrow, bam, 100. You think it's easy? Pass our table earlier still, so I don't know. Maybe I'll Maya make it think say, oh, he thinks I'm not do nothing, I'm going to surprise him.
Yeah, she look on them, you know. She's feeling. Hey, it's smart. And Tony, he said, don't know Tony can knock on the visit. But when she get in the survey, Tamika, hey, so you see, this is fast.
Put the salad in, salad, you know.
If
I forgot look for next one.
you like it, it's too easy for him to. I want bigger pot, no want man. Bigger pot. Bigger pot. The steam fishing. Them have a thing. I don't know if them have some deeper one. I'd rather one on this. The steam look like a fish. And from, you know, when I catch big fish, we just push it through the thing.
Yeah.
Big one and roast it. Try to go easy for roast.
How much? Take up a phone for me. Go over this one.
Yeah, that's it. Why?
Yeah. Yeah, peeps. So see the fish guts them here. Mama so I go use them. I put them in our farm. And see the fish them here. Beautiful, lovely yellowtail snapper. They go wash them off, you know. Bag them up, put them in our fridge until we decide to fry them up, steam them up, cook them up, roast them up. We don't know what we're going to do yet, but something is going to happen to them. Swamp Shrine, man, I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but something is going to happen to them. You understand what I'm trying? Something is going to happen to them. It's going to be wild, man. It's going to be wild and it's going to be versatile. And we're going to do it the Mama Sue style. I don't know what we come up with the accent there, but
yes. Oh my goodness, I'm telling you.
we actually can do the British accent. So all my London people. All right, blood. So here's the snapper, blood. These all the snappers, mate. All scaled and gutted, mate. So we going to clean them up now, put them in the freezer. No, that no. That's all, man. We gonna freeze them, mate. We gonna put them in the bloody freezer and we gonna cook these fish. I don't know when yet, but we gonna do it the Mama Sue style, mate. Yeah, put this over there, so yes. Go wash out the fish.
Yes, peeps, these ready. Pretty.
Big up peeps. Big up peeps.
Anthony.
Let's see if this melt.
Be careful, you know. Be careful, I fire.
Right now, right now, granddaughter, I make some ackee and saltfish. Some plantain, dry plantain, and I'm going to have bread with it.
Alia, give me that covering right there. Give me that white covering, you see?
This?
Right over with Tony.
Over there. Tony, go and take some water. Okay, drink some water, baby. Yeah. Give Tony some water to drink.
Yeah, go and give Tony water. phone.
Yeah.
I don't mind phone that. What's phone?
Oh, how much? What's phone? Can't find. I don't ever. Can't call me. Yeah, clean up the breadfruit now. Lovely. I wonder if I will get more breadfruit. Shane?
The breadfruit is
Look
solid.
here, Shane. Shane.
Solid, oh my god. Wow. Sharp on top. You see them today when I go down? After all, I'm doing a bit, maybe not even do that for big tree. Oh my goodness.
Stop it.
Yes, peeps. Breadfruit them solid.
It is good.
Yam look solid. Everything solid.
Cool.
I wash off me and mama so one come.
The man good. It's
Yeah.
good.
Go on for your plate.
It's like sweet.
Well, you know, the plate.
First, let me wash my hands.
Your little plate, your plate. The broad, the broad plate. It's in the cupboard. Take 3 of them. Ali, Molly, 3 of them.
Go tell Alia to bring some plates for you guys.
Yeah, 3. Hurry up.
I want my plate, mama. So.
What are these?
Let me a knife.
A fork or a knife? Which one you want?
Eh?
What you want?
Fork, sorry. It's a knife.
I need a spoon.
Yes, peeps. Breadfruit solid. Yam solid clean. Oh, no, that can't. We don't want no bread.
Okay.
Yes, please. Now put the ackee pan in now. Let me know.
Come, Tony.
Peeps, look what I go on yourself. Want to make sure you see it. Look what I go on yourself. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Properly cooked, properly seasoned. The ackee, yellow yam, well roast breadfruit, solid, well roast, fried plantain. Boy, I'm not going to waste no time. I just say no people. I tell you the truth. Clot, me go clot to this right now. So, let me just tell you from now. Peeps. It's Ackee. Best of the best of the best. For me, I eat Ackee and Saltfish in my life. And roast breadfruit, I best. I'm not sure my mother thing. I best. Goes on.
Yes, peeps.
Show them your plate.
My plate here. I'm going to kill it.
Back up a little bit, man. Let me see your plate.
I'm going to kill it this morning.
Well,
Yes,
let me turn up the camera so people them.
Your plate look lovely.
Yeah, man. Please, let me turn up the camera to Mama so. Zane. And zoom back out. Mama so, listen to me. I have no time to film again, you know. So big up your fans them. Big up your subscriber them.
Yes.
And make them know what I go and make them do the right thing.
Yes,
I will lock
please.
off a camera.
Just want to do the right thing. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that little notification bell. Bing! When I put up new video, you can get notified. Respect to every aspect. This a one I go wild
And versatile.